The total savings in a year in olives would be over $5 million. That's a lot of money in olives.
The story goes like this. In 1987, American Airlines chief Robert Crandall was taking a flight and noticed the passengers in first class were not eating the olives on their salad plate. As a cost-cutting measure, he decided to remove the olives from the salad. Presumably, no passenger would notice or care, and the airline could save thousands of dollars a year simply by removing the unwanted olives. It was said that the airline saved $40,000 a year by removing the salad olives.
Let's have some fun and run our own cost experiment for an average Boeing 737-700 series airplane and see how much money we can save. We'll start with an average priced jar of olives. This one costs $6.50. Next, we need to find out how much one olive costs. Before we can figure out the cost of one olive, we'll need to know how many olives are in a jar. Let's count the olives. 30 olives. The average jar of olives has about 30 olives.
Next, we divide the cost of the jar of olives, $6.50, by the number of olives, 30. 6.5 divided by 30 equals 0.2166 repeating. For our purposes, we'll round that up to 0.22, or 22 cents. Each olive costs 22 cents.
The average Boeing 737-700 series seats 150 passengers and has about 10 first-class seats. If every first-class passenger on that plane got an olive on their salad, that would equal $2.20 worth of olives per flight. 10 times 22 cents equals $2.20.
$2.20 doesn't sound like that much of a savings. However, a typical airline flies about 6,700 flights a day. 6,700 times $2.20 equals $14,740.
That's $14,740 a day. And if they fly that many olives every day for a year, that's $14,740 times 365 days. And that equals $5,380,100. The total savings in a year in olives would be over $5 million. That's a lot of money in olives.
What are some other cost savings you can think of? Maybe you can figure out how much those olives weigh. Less weight saves on fuel. Let us know what your favorite part of this video was in the comments section. And if you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like and a share. Also, you can follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and be sure to subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.